Hi friends, this is Rajiv and I am going to discuss about second income today. As you can see on thumbnail, yes, I am going to discuss about second income, why people think about second income but they don't work on it. What all the factors that stops them doing some second business or some second job. So let me discuss about the problems. The first thing what stops people is fear of failure. Yes, that's the main problem. Second is they don't have any investment plan, they don't have any backup, they don't have any amount to invest. Third thing, they don't have time to take out from their primary job or business. They don't have any place to establish their business. They don't have any idea about, they don't have any support system, they don't have any legal knowledge, they don't have anything, so they don't proceed it. So this is the thing what stops people doing their second job or second income plan. Today I am going to give you some tips. What expert says that if you have some idea in your mind, work on that and viral it and make some money from that. If you don't have any idea, so let's find some idea from market, work on it and make some money. So if you are also having some idea, this video is not going to help you out, but yes, if you are looking for some idea, some concept in market through which you want to make some money, so I am here to help you. Yes, let's talk about what is trending in India nowadays. The digital market is the trending stuff nowadays in India. If you talk about Indian digital market, it is booming like anything. Let's discuss about the transaction what happened in 2022. The transaction was 100 trillion and it is expected that 2026 we are going to achieve 385 trillion mark. Isn't it very big stuff what is going to take over Indian digital market? Yes, I am also going to discuss about a platform which is really attached with Indian digital market, e-commerce market. That concept is supported by Indian government, started with the concept of Indian startup. It is one of the best startup. It is on the basis of e-commerce, affiliate, MDR, referral, and whatever stops you, it is not involved with this business. There is no risk. It's not an online trading. There are no money involved in it. There is no work pressure. There is no time involved. Anything. It is so easy to learn that housewives are also involved in this business and they are making good amount of money. So let's discuss about what exactly it is. The name of the concept is Mobile Pay. Yes, this is Mobile Pay and the name of the company is Mobile Pay E-Commerce Private Limited, based on e-commerce, affiliate, MDR and referral. As I told you, it has got huge potential to work and make a lot of money. Yes, what a dedication I want from you is to learn. You know, anything in India or in the world, if you want to make some money from, you need to learn the concept. Yes, if you have ability to learn or if you have dedication to learn, I do welcome you to join this concept and learn the things and proceed. It is one of the best concept in the market, what I was talking about. I am also attached with this since 3 years. Apart from my main job, I am also doing this business since day one. I have made a lot of money through it, and I do know that if this business is going to help me to generate a lot of money in future, and it's going to be one of my main support to improve my lifestyle, to help my every dream come true. So if you are also looking for any second income, I do welcome you to join this concept. If you want to know more, hit your comments below and I am there to help you out to know more about this business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Spread this video to all of your friends who are looking for making their second incomes. I am there to help you out and let you know how to work with Mobile Pay. I am the coach. I'll teach you how to grow this business in whole Indian digital market. Thanks for watching. Share this video. See you all. Thank you so very much.